Welcome to Kareem Carts, where your dream of owning a food truck becomes a flavorful reality. Today, we are proud to introduce a stunning stainless steel food truck, custom built to serve delicious Guatemalan cuisine. Whether you're starting fresh or expanding your business, this truck is your ticket to success. This beauty is finished in sleek stainless steel, with 2 clear front glass windows and a convenient service window designed to attract customers and keep operations smooth. Step inside, and you'll find an anti-slip aluminum floor for safety, top shelving above the sinks for easy access, and bottom storage wherever possible, because we know every inch counts in a busy kitchen. This truck proudly carries an official insignia issued by the state of California and has been approved by the San Bernardino Health Department in 2025, giving you peace of mind and credibility from day one. Equipped with everything you need to serve authentic Guatemalan dishes, this truck includes a 1-door reach-in refrigerator, on a 27-inch salad bar, a 40 pounds deep fryer, set of 4 top burners, hold an 18-inch charbroiler, a 24-inch griddle, and a double steam table. All powered by a reliable Onan generator and a propane tank for cooking. With a freshwater tank and a wastewater tank, prep areas, a main entrance, and an emergency exit, this truck is built for efficiency and compliance. Safety is key. That's why this truck comes with a professional exhaust hood and a fire suppression system keeping your team and your investment protected. In Los Angeles County and surrounding areas, we help you through the Health Department permit process. For the rest of California and other states, we guide you every step of the way. Every truck comes with a 1-year warranty for the kitchen and a 6-month warranty for the engine and transmission. Need financing? We've got you covered. Our team works with financing companies to make the process easy. And for your convenience, our bilingual sales reps are ready to assist you in Spanish and Arabic. Visit Kareem Carts at 5850 Avalon Boulevard in South Central Los Angeles. We're open Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Whether you want a truck just like this one or something custom built for your unique menu, we're here to make it happen. Don't wait to chase your dream. Start your food business today with Kareem Carts. Like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing builds and business tips. Thank you for watching Kareem Carts, where your food truck journey begins.